So welcome back. We are still moving on with more examples, still on how to prove identities, still using the application of the factor formula. So the question goes, prove that sine 8 theta cos theta minus sine 6 theta cos 3 theta all over cos 2 theta cos theta minus sine 3 theta sine 4 theta equals tan 2 theta. We are going to be applying factor formula each and every number, and we see what can easily come out. So I said when we are dealing with multiplication, always start with the one with a bigger angle. Which factor formula was bringing sine cos? Can say from sine A plus sine B equals to sine A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Here there is no 2, we divide 0 by 2. We say a half into sine A plus sine B equals sine of A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Can we start equating? We'll compare this with that. So I can say comparing with sine 8 theta cos theta. Can we equate A plus B by 2 equals 8 theta? This implies that A plus B equals 16 theta. First equation. We also go to another one. Is A minus B by 2 equals a theta? A minus B equals 2 theta. This is the second. We solve 1 and 2 simultaneously. Can say equation 1 plus 2. We are having 2A equals 18 theta. What is A alone? A alone is 9 theta. We also say equation 1 minus 2. A minus A, 0. B minus minus, we are getting 2B equals 16 minus 2, we are getting 14 theta. This implies that B equals 7 theta. We'll also go to another one. We are still comparing because it's sine minus sine. We also say comparing with sine 6 theta cos 3 theta. We're also getting, we're having A plus B out of 2 equals a 6 theta, which implies that A plus B equals 12 theta. We say this is the third equation. We also come to another one. A minus B out of 2 equals 3 theta. A minus B equals 6 theta. This is the fourth. Then we say equation 3 plus 4. A plus A, we are getting 2A equals 12 theta plus that, we are getting 18 theta. What is A? A is 9 theta. We are also coming B, we say equation 3 minus 4. A minus A, it goes B minus minus, you are getting 2B equals 6 theta. So B alone is 3 theta. So after getting that here, after getting these ones, we can write our equation, which becomes a half into sine 12 theta. So say sine 9 theta plus sine of 7 theta. We also come to another one, will be after writing this one, we shall have a half into sine 9 theta. After calculating here, we are having sine 9 theta minus sine 3 theta. We also come down and we also see which factor formula was bringing cos. That means came from cos plus cos. Can say from cos A plus cos B, which is given as 2 cos of A plus B by 2 again cos of a minus b by 2. We compare, this becomes a half into cos a plus cos b, which is equal to cos a plus b by 2, again cos a minus b by 2. So we start comparing, we can say comparing with, we are comparing with cos 2 theta, cos theta, what does it become? A plus b by 2 equals 2 theta. This implies that a plus b equals 4 theta. I can call it equation 1. We also come to another one, a minus b by 2 equals a theta. This implies that a minus b equals 2 theta. This is the second. We are going to solve them simultaneously. I can say equation 1 plus 2. We are having 2a equals 6 theta. It means a is 3 theta. 1 minus 2, we are having 2b equals 2 theta, which implies that b equals theta. So when you try to write our equation, will become a half into cos 3 theta plus cos of theta. So that one will be done. We also guide and say comparing with, from which factor formula we're going to use? Comparing with the one which brings sine. That is cos minus cos. It will be cos a minus cos b. So we shall say a plus b out of 2 equals 4 theta. So what is our b? What is a plus b? A plus b equals 8 theta. I said this is the third equation. We'll also go a minus b by 2 equals a 3 theta. It implies that a minus b equals 6 theta. This is the fourth. Then we say 3 plus 4. We are coming out with 2a equals 14 theta. So what is a? A alone is 7 theta. We also say 3 minus 4. We are coming out with 2b equals 2 theta. So b alone is theta. So this implies that we shall have a half into cos of 7 theta minus cos of theta, which is equal to, where we see sine 4 theta, sine 3 theta. So after coming out with that, then we are free to substitute in all these phenomena in the above expression. So the first one was giving us a half into sine 9 theta plus sine 7 theta minus a half into sine 9 theta minus sine 3 theta all over, this is a half into cos 3 theta plus cos theta minus, that one is a half into cos 7 theta. Remember, this one brings a negative, that means yet is going to be a plus. If you consider like that one, you can say plus, yes, it's going to be a plus into minus cos theta. So we proceed. You can see a half is common everywhere. It means a half can be eliminated since it is common both up and down. So we are remaining with sine 9 theta plus sine 7 theta minus, you can put in sine 9 theta. a negative times a negative, we are getting plus sine 3 theta all over. We are having here cos 3 theta plus cos theta plus cos 7 theta minus cos theta. So can we reduce where possible sine 9 theta and cos theta and cos theta? So we are remaining with sine 7 theta plus sine 3 theta all over cos 7 theta plus cos 3 theta. Again, we apply the factor formula where we see sine plus sine. Sine plus sine was given as 2 sine 7 theta plus 3 theta by 2 cos 7 theta minus 3 theta by 2 all over cos plus cos. We are getting 2 cos 7 theta plus 3 theta by 2. Again cos 7 theta minus 3 theta by 2. So we are moving on. 2 disappears. Sine, here we get sine of 7 theta plus 3 theta. We are getting we are coming out with a 10 theta divided by 2. We are coming out with 5 theta. Cos 7 theta minus 3 theta. We are coming out with a 4 theta divided by 2. We are getting 2 theta all over this plus this. We are coming out with cos 5 theta. This minus this, we are also coming out with a cos 2 theta. So let's write it in front there as we proceed with it. So cos theta goes, we remain with sine 5 theta over cos 5 theta, which is automatically giving us a tan 5 theta as required. That's how we can use factor formula to prove other trigonometric ratios.